Good students, today I will teach you about energy. What is energy? Energy is very important role to move our life process. Okay? Here energy means ability. It is ability of doing work. Energy is the ability of to do work or doing work. Energy, ability of doing work, ability of doing work is called energy. Energy is measured by calorie or joule. The measurement of energy is calorie or joule. Here energy, we take energy many sources. We take energy many sources as we eat food. We take energy from when we eat food. Different types of foods, food you eat, as energy you take from that foods. Okay? As food, as energy you can take. Food, you know that sources in energy, sun is the biggest source of energy. Sun is the biggest source of energy. In this case, plant take energy from sun. In this case, plant make your food itself in the presence of sunlight and carbon dioxide. When we leave air from our body, that is known as carbon dioxide, and which air take from the atmosphere, that is known as oxygen. When oxygen, we take oxygen and leave carbon dioxide. Plant take energy from sunlight in the presence of photosynthesis. Plant make your food itself by photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a chemical process by which plant make your food. Okay? So thus, sunlight is the biggest source of energy on the earth, by which many animals or plants take energy from sun. Okay? We take energy in the form of vitamins and D from sunlight. Okay? Here, energy is a very important process to move our life. In this case, we need energy to to move life process. To move life process, we take energy from different sources. Okay? It to make the energy to make me or we the energy to make us work or move from one place to other place. Energy to make things work or move. To work or move. Thus, energy is a very important role. And different form of energy as light energy, sound energy, heat energy, chemical energy, kinetic and potential energy. Kinetic energy, moving time, object which work is done by object during moving time, that is called kinetic energy. And potential energy, if any object constant and do any work during the rest case, that is known as potential energy. Thus, many forms of energy, light energy, sound energy, heat energy, and chemical energy, electric energy, kinetic energy, and potential energy. Thus, many forms of the energy. Okay? Here, look here. Energy we get energy from these different types of foods. Okay? Energy as here cucumbers, and here wheat, bread, cheese, tomato, and green plants as cabbage or flower cabbage, different types of the plant by which we eat and take energy. Okay? And you know that here forms of energy, different forms of energy. Look here, different forms of energy. Plants use light energy to make food during photosynthesis. Okay, student? And here electric energy by which a fan move. Okay? And here heat energy, by heat energy we cook the food. Okay? And here sound energy. Look here, sound energy. Sound energy by which is used in communication. It's used in communication. And here battery store chemical energy. Okay? By this we use energy in the case of communication. These types of energy in which sun is the highest source of energy. Okay? These types of the use of energy. Thus, energy is very important. If energy is not, then I cannot do any work without energy. Therefore, energy is very, very important in our life. Okay, student? This concept or topic of energy, you learn all points. These are very important points. Ability, energy ability of doing work, and three parts of the energy in which need, sources and इसके form. How many forms of energy, these forms of energy, and how many sources of energy. Here food and sun is the source of energy, okay. And here need, we need by which the energy we take and energy to move life process, energy to move life process. Thus energy to make things work or move of any things. Okay student, thus you learn all about energy. Energy is a very important role. Next day I will teach you about some parts of the energy. Okay student, thank all of you.